Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you're very much welcome. And if you're a new subscriber, my name is Winnie and I make sewing tutorials to help you step up your sewing game. So subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. So guys, today we'll be doing a very interesting topic, which is an overlapping collar, a bold overlapping collar. We'll be making a Bubu kimono with a turn-up sleeve, but with a bold overlapping collar. Guys, we'll be making use of 2 yards of fabric for this style. It's not a full length, it's a 3/4 length, so I'm making use of 2 yards. You should use from 4 yards and above for a very full length. And for my collar, I'll be making use of 1/2 yard of satin for the collar. Weights for the back and the front, my neck width is 3.5 inches, and then my neck depth for the back is just 1.5. You can choose your desired sleeve slope, and you can also choose your desired sleeve opening, so it doesn't matter. It depends on your desire, what you want or what your client wants. And then even the allowance of the bubu, I chose 2.5. You can decide to make yours 3.5 or 4.5, depending on what your client wants. If your client wants it to be so big, you can make it 4, you can make it 3. But for this project, I'm making use of 2.5 for my allowance, bubu allowance, 2 for the bubu allowance, 1/2 inch for the joining. So the width of my collar this time around is going to be 3 inches, and so for my width to be 3 inches, that means I have to cut out a total of 7 inches. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. If you measure from here to here, to give you 7 inches. As for the length of the collar, sorry for the noise guys, I'm around kids. As for the length of the collar, we would only get it by joining the front piece and the back piece together and measuring I'll actually teach you how to do that, but that's after going to join the shoulders. It is after we've measured it, we can add extra 4 inches, and that's how we get the length of our collar. So guys, I've done a brief summary of what I've done so far. So I've done the back, so it's just to take out the back. It is to take out the back and start working on the front. Pay attention guys, this is where it gets really interesting. As for the neck of for the depth of my front piece, you can choose between 11 and 13 depending on your preferred neck depth, but I'll go with 12 inches. The reason why some people do 13 or 14 is because this is a bold collar. It has a bigger width, and so it's going to come up a little bit and not reveal your cleavage, even if you use 13 or 14. So but in my own situation, I want to use 12, so I'll just mark 12 and I'll connect it to my phone like so. So guys, after marking 12, the width of my collar is supposed to be 3 inches. So I'll be measuring 1.5 from here. I'll be marking 1.5 from here. But to make it firmer, because at times there could be excess while overlapping your collar at that area, I'll just make it 1.25 just to make it more firm. Though you can try 1.5, it might work for you, but just to avoid the excess issue that used to happen at that area, and that's why I'm making it 1.25. I hope you get what I'm saying. Then I'll be connecting it back to my shoulder. after doing this, I'll be cutting out. I'll be cutting this out, and then after cutting this out, I'll be notching on a half an inch notch. So now guys, this is how I'm going to notch. I'll call this a junction. So I'll just measure half an inch like this, like so, and then I'll come this way and notch out up to that point. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. See, this is what I have done so far, guys. This is it. Very easy, guys. So my front piece is ready. So I would place right side facing right side for my outfit. This is the right side. I'll place the back piece as well on it like this. I hope you're understanding what I'm doing. So I'll be placing right side facing right side like this, like so. I'll be pinning this together, and I'll take it to my sewing machine, and then I'll be sewing half an inch with seam allowance like this, and also half an inch seam allowance, and then we'll bring it back and take proper measurements for our overlapping collar. So guys, if you've watched this far, what are you waiting for, guys? Click the subscribe button and smash the like button. Comment, make a comment and tell me about your experience while making this style for your clients or for yourself. So guys, I have gone ahead and joined my shoulder. Look at how it's looking. It's coming out nice. I've even gone ahead to join my turn-up sleeve, though I'm not done yet. So you can see that my outfit is coming out really beautiful. The prints are very vibrant, and so they are giving me energy and excitement. So guys, let's continue from where we stopped. So guys, after doing that, the next thing we're going to do is to notch. And to notch, just kiss your seam like so to get your center back. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Get your center back like this. Then you notch. And then after notching, guys, we would also find the center point of our collar. Fold your collar like this into 2 equal halves. Don't forget our collar has been ironed on fold already. Let me mention the measurement for the collar again. We're making use of a very bold collar. We want our collar to be 3 inches at the end of the day. And so guys, I measured 7 inches. Why did I measure 7 inches? So that we'll be having 3.5 on fold. So you can see here is 3.5, and here is also 3.5, guys. So after joining our collar, the extra ½ inch is for the seam allowance, for the joining allowance. Do you understand now? So let's continue. So now we're going to get the midpoint like so. You can trim off anything that looks like excess, so that they won't be like a distraction. So guys, I'll also get the midpoint of my collar like so, and I'm notching it as well. So the next thing I'll be doing is matching my notches like so. I'll be matching like so, and I'll be pinning it all the way like so. that's the same way I would pin to the other side. And after doing this, guys, I'll go ahead, take it to my sewing machine and sew at half an inch. So guys, you just start from the center like this. After pinning it, you sew from this notch all the way to this side. Then also sew from the center back again, all the way to the other side, guys. After doing that, it will be like this. Then it will be like this. So we'll be tucking in the collar this way after sewing. So let me sew it and bring it back. So guys, I have gone ahead to join my collar. Look at how it's looking. So guys, before I continue, I realized I forgot to mention how I got the length of my collar. I only mentioned how I got the weight. So for the length of the collar, I measured from the first notch all the way to the second notch. It's usually about 30 inches, can be 29, can be 30. You know, when you measure from here like this, you put your tape all the way around. Let's see what it's going to give. And you can see, so it's giving 29 and a half. So but the most important part of it is that you're going to add about 4 inches to whatever you got, and that's why I'm having this excess. I hope you understand now. So let us continue. So the next thing, guys, is to tuck this in like so. I hope you're watching, because this is the most important part of this tutorial. I hope you can see. And then you come and tuck this like so as well. You can see that our overlapping is already forming. It's really important that this area is very neat, guys. So after tucking it in like this, it's important we go to the back to secure what we have done at the front. But this is the look that we want to achieve at the front. So guys, we'll turn this way like so. I hope you can see. I hope this fabric is not preventing you from seeing the real deal. Let me turn it this way so that you can see what I'm doing, guys. So this is it, guys. This is how it looks under. So you go ahead and arrange it properly. Make sure it's relaxed. Now, guys, look at this seam that came out as a result of our notch. We'll be sewing on it. So we'll be pinning it this way. You can use tiny pins. I'm using very long pins. So you just take it to your sewing machine, guys, and just don't sew on the fabric. Avoid the fabric. Just sew on the seam. Just sew like this. Can you see? So you just sew on it, half an inch seam allowance. After sewing, guys, you will go back and then cut out this excess from here. From here, you snip out this excess, and after that, you can now go ahead and weave your joinings and every other neatening and finishings you want to do. So guys, after doing that, don't forget that while you're working, just make sure that it's relaxed at the front, and it also looks very tidy at the front, like so. So guys, the last thing you're going to do before this is ready, You can decide to top stitch if you want to. You can actually decide to top stitch if you want to, so it can relax more. You can top stitch like this, all the way like this, and like this. If you wish, just use a very good thread, a thread that would match what you're doing. In my own case, my fabric is multicolored, so whatever thread I use is going to be very obvious. So I think I'll just leave it like this and just give it a very good press, and my collar is ready. So guys, I'll do all that and finish up this outfit, and you will see the finished work. Come this far, guys, subscribe to my channel. Guys, subscribe to my channel. We'll be doing lots and lots of tutorials, and you will learn a lot and grow as a tailor. Subscribe to my channel, support my channel, guys. Let us grow together, let's learn together. Smash the like button so that people can get to see this video. Share my video and make comments, make suggestions, make comments, reach out to me. Feel free to send me mails, WhatsApp. Okay guys, so I'll just go back and do what I've said I'm going to do, and I'll get back to you with my finished outfit. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.